You guys are my former fans after that freaking outrage. That's why I am closed for good. I really wish I haven't graduated yet. I'm really shutting this place down, closing the door, resting here forever. It just doesn't make sense. It was just a small little trick. Why are people saying that I'm a trickster? No, I'm even having a stumble over saying all my inventions in the past. Right now, no building. Well, I'm keeping the house. Well, I'll call this episode the Destruction Test. I call this the Destruction Test. As you can see, level 1 paper was so easy. But soon I will use different things to destroy different items. Like, rocks on rocks. Anyways, I made these inventions are gonna be the broken one. Let me go start with that house right there for the trick episode. Just kidding. Tricked you! I'm talking about my inventions. Yeah, we'll start. No, give me another chance. You decide to follow us right here in Frenchville Valley. Well, here I am holding a 5 kilogram ball. No damage, but good push into the surface. It did push hard into the surface. Now, it was still an easy fix. Next, let's check. So I'll use my bare hands. Yep. Just done. See that destruction again? Well, here you are. Oh, this is 5 kilograms is about 5.0 kilograms is 11.0 pounds in the U.S. standard, whatever. And there I am, done with my levels, and now I'm open for business.